Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. I'm showing you my gun pellets, gun case, and I might get some footage of me shooting some targets. I'm not sure, but it is a 177 caliber, and it's not really my type of shooting in the winter, so when it comes to June, July, I'll be shooting some birds and some rabbits, maybe some squirrels. So yeah, let's get started with the video. I have a junior rifle because I only started yesterday, well not yesterday, like a month ago, and it's an SMK 15 with a rubber butt at the end of the stock, and it's just wooden from there. As you can see, I have an iron sight, and as you can see here, the numbers for that I can't show you, can I? Wait, this here to move siders and siders, so you can line your shot up, and you got these ones here to lift it up so you can get your aim right, and so yeah, and then it's a breakdown bar like so, and yeah, and then you got safety at the back there, as I should have told you at the beginning. You've got safety there, you push that up, you pull it down, and yeah, there's a hole you stick your pellets in. As you can see, you might see the rifling if I can get it properly. You can see the rifling. So yeah, that's how you put your pellets in. If you want to decock it, you hold the bar like that, pull the trigger so it comes up, and then when I pull the trigger it does it shoots. So decent gun, 45 quid from a good shot. Yeah, so that's that. I use Marksman pellets Marksman pellets. I got it from the exact same store as my gun, just these are £5. This is my case. It's my case. You got where you put your gun in, then you got your pellets in there, and then if you want you can hang it up. Yeah, I got this for about £10 from the gun store. Yeah. So that's it. I will try and get a different camera. Right now I'm using my phone. So yeah, and peace. See you later, guys.